I told her, my loves, hopefully this is only a dream. And she replied, no, my love, it is real. And that's what I remember.
Yeah, I was scared when I saw him lying with the, bloody face.
She thought I was dead.
Yeah, I thought he was dead. I checked where they are. And then I saw my daughter first, and then my son, and then him. So I went to him first because I saw him that he's unconscious. So I tried to wake him up. Then when by the time he woke up, I went to my kids, and then that's the time that the police told us that to be, run away from that place to hide somewhere. I saw my son hurt his left leg, and my daughter was crying from the pain of her left arm. It was so fast. I didn't see them what happened.